Running low on power when you need your phone most. Today, we're uncovering the top 6 chargers for the iPhone 17 Pro Max 2025, both wireless and wired, to keep you powered anywhere. Welcome to my channel. Stick around and grab these must-haves easily through the links in the description. The number 6 product on our list is SwanScout Wireless Charger. Have you ever wished your charger could be both stylish decor and a true power solution? That's exactly what the SwanScout wireless charger delivers. With its metallic coated body and optical texture design, it looks premium on any desk or bedside table, tested for real-world comfort and crafted to feel special. Beyond design, it's practical, charging up to 3 devices at once while folding into a compact travel companion. The elegant curved clock display with adjustable brightness adds peace of mind at night, a small detail that makes a big difference. In terms of performance, its intelligent temperature control keeps devices safe, while pushing faster charging speeds than many competitors. Compared to bulkier docks in this lineup, it offers versatility and portability in one sleek package. It may not support every smartwatch brand, but for iPhone users, earbuds, and other QI devices, it feels like a smart, reliable upgrade that blends function with elegance. At number 5 is INIU wireless charger. What if a wireless charger could save you nearly an hour of waiting every single day? That's exactly the kind of advantage the INIU wireless charger brings, combining speed, safety, and convenience into one sleek package with next-gen 15-watt air-fuel technology. It slashes charging time while keeping your iPhone running cool and secure. The self-adaptive LED indicator is a thoughtful touch, bright enough to guide you during the day, yet dim at night so your sleep stays undisturbed. Dual superconductor coils expand the charging area, letting you place your phone in portrait for FaceTime or landscape for videos without breaking the flow. Compared to other models in this lineup, INIU balances efficiency with comfort, tested for real-world use where both power and peace of mind matter. It may not carry the highest wattage for laptops, but for iPhone users who want reliable, fast, and safe wireless charging, this feels like a smart, future-ready investment. At number 4 is LK Wireless Charger. Cluttered desks, tangled cords, and multiple chargers. Sounds familiar? That's the exact problem the LK Wireless Charger steps in to solve. Designed as a sleek 3-in-1 station, it powers up your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch together, tested for real-world comfort where convenience matters most. What stands out is the detachable watch charger, which adds flexibility whether you're at home or traveling. The phone case-friendly design means you don't have to peel off protection every time you need a charge, bringing a sense of relief and everyday ease. LED indicators sit neatly at the base, giving you clear charging status without interrupting your sleep. A thoughtful touch for nighttime use. Compared to bulker docks in this lineup of wireless and wired picks, LK strikes a balance between simplicity and functionality, though it does lean heavily toward Samsung users rather than Apple Watch owners. For iPhone 17 Pro Max users seeking a practical, tidy, and space-saving charging solution, it feels like a smart and efficient upgrade. The third one on our list is TORRAS FlexLine Wall Charger. What if a single wall charger could replace the clutter of tangled cords and bulky adapters? That's the promise of the TORRAS FlexLine, a 67-watt powerhouse built with both speed and practicality in mind. Its retractable cable with stepless adjustment feels smooth, durable, and tested for real-world comfort, making it just as handy on a desk as it is in a travel bag, delivering 30% charge in only 10 minutes for your phone, and fueling a MacBook to 50% in 30 minutes. It's designed for people who demand speed without compromise. GaN 3 technology with AI temperature monitoring keeps things cooler, safer, and more efficient, while dual ports let you charge 2 devices simultaneously without stress. Compared to smaller chargers in this lineup of wireless and wired picks, TORRAS stands out for raw power and clever design, though its size might feel excessive if you only charge one device. For professionals, travelers, and multitaskers, it's a future-ready upgrade that feels worth every bit of attention. On number 2 is MINIX 3 Port GaN Wall Charger. Too many chargers weighing down your bag? That's the problem the MINIX 3 Port GaN wall charger tackles head-on, offering a compact yet powerful 66-watt solution that feels built for modern multitaskers. With GaN technology at its core, it delivers faster speeds in a smaller body, tested for real-world comfort where efficiency matters. The triple port design means you can fuel a laptop, iPhone, and earbuds all at once without worrying about uneven power distribution. Its smart detection system adjusts output automatically, giving each device exactly what it needs, bringing relief and peace of mind in everyday use. Foldable plugs and included UK/EU adapters make it travel-friendly, perfect for professionals constantly on the move. Compared to single port chargers in this lineup of wireless and wired picks, MINIX stands out for versatility and portability, though those who only charge one device at a time may find it more than they need. For frequent travelers, students, and tech enthusiasts, it's a safe, smart, and future-ready upgrade. Now, moving to the last one is UGREEN GAM Fast Wall Charger. What if one compact charger could replace every bulky adapter in your bag? That's exactly the promise of the UGREEN GAM Fast Wall Charger, a 65-watt powerhouse built for modern lifestyles. With 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, it easily handles a MacBook, iPhone, and earbuds at the same time, tested for real-world comfort where efficiency matters. Charging a MacBook Air to over 50% in just half an hour feels like a lifesaver for busy professionals and students constantly on the move. The foldable plug and 50% smaller body make it travel-ready, slipping neatly into even the smallest bag. GAN technology keeps it cool, safe, and energy efficient, providing peace of mind for overnight or heavy use. Compared to smaller chargers in this lineup of wireless and wired options, UGREEN delivers more power and versatility without sacrificing portability. For those who value speed, safety, and the convenience of charging multiple devices together, it's a smart and future-ready upgrade. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 chargers for the iPhone 17 Pro Max 2025, wireless and wired. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.